My girl will end this privacy thing soon. You know, it's coming to an end. It's the end of the line here. End of the road. He said my baby's not here. He said my baby's not here, guys. I think he was talking about Amy. Yeah. Chiefs. I didn't say anything, guys. Please don't ask me about that, about the soccer team. I can tell you that my main soccer team is Manchester United. I do have a soccer team here in South Africa, but I'm not gonna say it because Nkosi Sikelel in Africa. Sweet Guluva has no. How do you feel? I'm very happy for him. God is blessing him the way that he deserves. Very straight. I love you guys too. Alright, guys, don't worry. It's coming to an end. Don't stress. Don't stress. I did tell you guys that I like to talk about imaginary situations. Like, you know, when you're in a space in your life and you want to get out of that space, like mentally, then you create fake scenarios in your head just to, I know it probably sounds like a mental disorder, but you'll see what it will do for you. You are very spicy. Peppery or peppery curry? Peppery or peppery curry? Let me see what's happening on my... Wow. Privacy is coming to... I hope you have distances. Always the solution. Delulu is always the Solulu. Are you ready for the 3rd of May? Yo! Plus it's